Alright guys, Honey Hefe here. It's going to be my recap. It's May 24th, 2026. It's Sunday. And I just came out here after a concert, a symphonic concert. Wanted to feed these guys. And so I went and bought these bottles. I had 5 splits out here, 5 nukes. And 2 of them are now absconded. Look at here, a little walking stick. But anyway, so I mixed the Mann Lake ProSweet in here with about 50% water, 50% ProSweet. I don't want to get too close to me, like really, dude. So anyway, 2 of them absconded, so now I got 3 splits left here. These hives look okay. A little bit set back from making the splits. But I want to add a super to this one. I want to add a super to that one. I may can do that tomorrow. I need to start bringing my supers out here and letting them come in here. June, July is when they're going to start really filling it up. I don't think we have much tallow going just yet. I think it's getting close. I'll need to feed these guys another bottle. This is a 600 milliliters. They need at least 1,500 milliliters. 3,800 is a gallon, but for a nuke, 1 gallon to probably plug them out. So this is all I have right now. I had those black boxes that I use. That's quite a bit. Not to be enough to feed them, but I only have a limited number of those. I lost some of the caps, so I'm just using these. So hopefully they'll be able to pull this out and get their boost and go. It's been raining quite a bit lately, so a lot of the nectar that was available is washed off. I am a little bit concerned about this one here. There's a lot of bees in 2 frames there, but this one looks like it's going to explode a little bit, and that one does too. I hate that I lost the other 2. That's just part of it. I'm kind of getting used to that. Hopefully these hives here will survive. I do need to come here and put the supers on. I need to bow weed eat right here in front of them. I move these boxes over a little bit so I can put these guys, clear their flight.